Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to our grammar lesson today. Today we want to talk about contractions. And for that, we are going to use our Nelson grammar book, pages 18 and 19. So, what is a contraction? Contractions are words that get smaller. When something contracts, it gets smaller. We miss out a letter or letters, and in the place of the missing letter or the letters, we put what we call an apostrophe. So an apostrophe is a special kind of comma that we use in the place of the missing letter or letters when we write our contractions. So for example, we can have two words like I am. So for example, you want to say, I am looking for my shoes. So instead of writing I am, we write the contraction I'm. And the apostrophe is this one that I have put here in red. It's a special kind of comma that floats in the air. So this is the correct way of writing our contraction. We don't write like a normal comma that sits on the line. This one is not correct. This is not how we write our contractions. So let us look at other examples. I have here you are. So we have the long form you are, and we have the contraction here you are. You are my friend. We miss out the any apple, and in the place of the any apple we have our apostrophe. We have another example, he is, it becomes his. He is my friend, and in this one we miss out the Indian. We have she is, becomes she's. We also miss out the Indian. It is contracts to its. It's my dog. We miss out the Indian too. We have cannot. So for this example, instead of writing cannot as a long word, we make it smaller to can't, and we miss out two letters. So we miss out the nananiko and the ox, and we come up with the contraction can't. We have another example, do not, where we miss out the ox and the contraction is don't. I don't like potatoes. And we have the last example, I have a nice car. So instead of writing I have as two words, we make it one, which is smaller, and we write, we put our apostrophe there, and it becomes I've a nice car. I've a small dog. I have, we miss out the Harry Hetman and the any apple. So we have the examples that we're looking at. Instead of writing you are, we write your. He is becomes his. He's my friend. She is she's. It is its. Cannot can't. Do not don't. I have I've a small house. I've a small house. So, boys and girls, this is how we write our contractions. Just to remind you that you need to be careful how you write the apostrophe. It floats in the air. It doesn't sit on the line. It's there to represent some missing letters. We don't write like this. We don't put an apostrophe and continue to put the any apple. This also is a wrong expression. So when we put the apostrophe, we don't put the any apple. In this case of I am, it becomes this one here, I am. I am going to school today. I am going to school today. So that is our contraction with our apostrophe floating in the air. Well done, boys and girls. We are going to do our assignment. In the assignments folder, we have some work there where I have put some words for you to write as contractions following the examples that we were talking about here. So, thank you very much for listening. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.